Hello children, I'm here again with our second lesson in ENV, that is Things We Use. First we will see what are we going to learn today. We are going to learn the commodities and equipment used on a personal level and at home, how to maintain good health and safety by looking after things used for personal use, things used at home in ancient times and modern times, the advantages and disadvantages in the changes in modern times, some equipment used inside and outside the house for different tasks, and finally, importance of maintaining those equipment. So children, I'm going to divide the commodities and equipment into a table, that is personal level and at home. So the examples are books, shoes, cups, plates, bags, toothbrushes and comb. And at home that we share with each and everyone, examples are television, radio, computer and broom. Then, how to maintain good health and safety by maintaining things used for personal use. So, the first one is the dressers or bag should be carefully stacked in an almirah. It's not good to put dressers or bags here and there. You have to carefully stack in a proper place. Then, shoes kept in the shoe rack. Then, cups and plates should methodically washed and kept in the correct place. Then, books should be kept neatly stacked on the table or on a book rack, and always maintain cleanliness. Things used at home in ancient times and modern times. So here I have two categories, ancient times and modern times. So children, what do you mean by ancient times? Ancient means very distant past. So in the first picture, instead of using the firewood, you can use the gas cooker. And the second one, using the clay pots, you can boil rice. But nowadays we use the rice cooker to do this. Then I am showing here the grinding stone. Now instead of the grinding stone just to chop and grind things, we use the blender and the grinder. Then the next one, using our hands we used to wash our clothes. Now also we are doing that. So just to make our work easy, now we use the washing machine. So we are going to learn the advantages and disadvantages in the changes in modern time. First we will discuss disadvantages. Using clay pots for cooking is more healthier than using aluminium. Then when the chilies were ground on a stone, it provides a better paste than the grinder. Then more airy bedrooms are healthier than the modern ones. Now in modern bedrooms we have these air conditioners to feel us cool, but those days we had these more airy bedrooms. Then people lack physical exercises by using modern equipment. Uh, those days in ancient times, while using that, it gave us kind of exercises. But now using this modern equipment, people lack physical exercises. Now we are going to discuss the advantages. So first one is makes work easy, saves time. Then saves natural resources like wood. When we use gas and electricity for cooking, it saves the natural resources. Then needs less space to use modern equipment now. When you take the grinding stone, you need a big space. But when it converted to the grinder or mixer, you need a less space. Then we are going to learn some equipment used inside and outside the house for different tasks. So knife, pair of scissors, mammoth, axe. Then fifth one is crowbar. Children, what do you mean by the word crowbar? In the picture also you can identify the crowbar is a heavy iron bar with a bent end that is used to help lift heavy objects off the ground or to force things open. Here you can see a bent end is there. So from that you can open or lift the things. Then wheelbarrow and the fork. Then the equipment that are found in different workplaces. So the playground. So looking at the picture, you can find so many examples. So this is one of your favorite place, isn't it, children? So seesaw, merry-go-round, slide, swing, and looking at the picture, you can find so many examples. Then in the office. Now in the picture you can find the different equipment that we use in the office. Can you name those? Yes. The telephone, then the computer, then the calculator, then the mobile phone, then the laptop, then the printer, scanner, stapler, then DVD, CD reader. All are examples for the things we can use in the office. So this is our classroom. So kids, now we miss our classroom, we miss our school these days. So looking at the picture, now can you find the things we use in the classroom? Yes, table, board, duster, cupboard, pencil, desk, bag, book, ruler, chairs. So you can find so many other things in the picture. Then importance of maintaining this equipment. The equipment used vary according to the work they are used in. Then careful handling of certain equipment is essential to prevent accidents. You have to handle these equipment very carefully. Then after using them, they should be cleaned, well and kept at the correct place for future use. It's not good to put it here and there. You have to wash it properly and keep it in the correct place for future use. And some equipment are very costly and not available easily. So you have to use those very carefully. Then they must be carefully used. So if you use it only, someone can use it. So if you use it carefully, then they can be used by future generation. So here I'm going to give you an activity. So before that, I will remind you what did we learn today. We learned the commodities and equipment used on a personal level and at home, how to maintain good health and safety by looking after things used for personal use, things used at home in ancient times and modern times, the advantages and disadvantages in the changes in modern times, some equipment used inside and outside the house for different tasks, and finally, importance of maintaining those equipment. So here, this is a picture of a classroom. So you have to find the things in the classroom from the given picture and make a list. So my dear children, stay safe, healthy and happy. See you soon. Thank